2025 Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid Preview. With the all-new Toyota Grand Highlander, Toyota created a larger midsize SUV for drivers who thought the Highlander didn't have enough space. In addition to a gas-powered model, Toyota also came out with a hybrid version of the Grand Highlander, the Grand Highlander Hybrid. With the 2025 Grand Highlander Hybrid approaching, here's what we expect to see from the electrified SUV. The exterior design of the 2025 Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid is expected to go unchanged for the upcoming model year. The current Grand Highlander Hybrid has a reserved, but upscale design. At the front, the midsize SUV has a slim grille, an enormous air intake, and swept-back headlights. The side profile of the Grand Highlander Hybrid showcases its boxy design and larger size than the Highlander Hybrid. Wraparound tail lights, hidden dual exhaust outlets, a small rear spoiler, and a simple rear bumper are at the back. Toyota isn't expected to make any changes to the Grand Highlander Hybrid's interior design for 2025. The SUV's interior design has a simple interior design with large physical controls, a tiered dashboard, straightforward controls, and a large number of storage compartments. Thanks to its elongated body and boxy design, the Grand Highlander Hybrid has a roomy interior with 3 rows of seats and a large cargo area. Higher trim levels add nicer interior materials that bring a two-tone design to the cabin. On the tech front, the current Grand Highlander Hybrid comes with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a Wi-Fi hotspot, 6 audio speakers, satellite radio, 7 USB ports, and a wireless charging pad. Available tech features include a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. These features should continue to be available for the 2025 Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid. The standard powertrain in the 2025 Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid will be a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that's paired with 2 electric motors. Power is rated at up to 245 horsepower, which is routed to the front wheels through a continuously variable automatic transmission. All-wheel drive is available. Models with the Hybrid Max powertrain come with a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder and an electric motor for up to 362 HP. Hybrid Max models come with standard AWD. When properly equipped, the Grand Highlander Hybrid offers up to 36 mpg combined. Standard safety features on the current Grand Highlander Hybrid include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, rear cross-traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, traffic sign recognition, and automatic high beam assist. Available safety features include traffic jam assist, parking sensors, a rear camera mirror, and a head-up display. Pricing and release date. Based on the current Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid's release date, we expect the 2025 model to come out next summer. Without any expected changes, the 2025 Grand Highlander Hybrid's price should continue to range from $46,065 to $59,520. Other hybrid SUVs on sale include the Mazda CX-90 PHEV, Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid, Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, Kia Sorento Hybrid, Toyota Venza, and Ford Explorer Hybrid.